The project is quite unique. We came at it from a position of, here is a site that has a lot of potential, but it's sitting at a precipice between industrial features on one side and residential on the other. Bridging that was critical. It's a sizable project. We're looking at 18 four-bedroom apartments, which are made up of 3 buildings. So what we've allowed for is car parking along one end of the entire development. Then you have your shared park space, call it a play area, and a people zone, which is a feature that really promoted the residential nature and intent of the site. So I'm Sunil Bakshi. I'm the project architectural lead. So we're involved from the procurement of the site right through to initial design, develop design, final design, and issue to client after build. We're building residential housing. We're building housing for people in need. We're building housing in a market that demands it, where we can achieve a high density of development as we have at Henderson Valley, while achieving a traditional look, something that you can call home. PALLISIDE achieves that, and our clients are very happy with that result. You get the benefit of a traditional home. However, you avoid the pitfalls. You avoid the fading of the color, timber that starts looking old after a couple of years. So selecting cladding systems that could both accentuate a design feature, but also provide some traditional architectural features to our buildings were critical. The Henderson Valley project is quite a large-scale structure. When you're looking to build 30 meters wide by 60 meters long, you have to start considering the kind of materiality cladding systems you're going to use, something that lasts, doesn't need replacement, doesn't need constant maintenance or painting to maintain its look. Given we're working at such high scales, 3 stories, 7, 8, 9, 10 meters off the ground, it's not realistic to be repainting it annually or every couple of years. What's great about the PALLISIDE cladding system is once it goes up, that's it. You install it, the scaffolding comes down, and you can move on. And that's a great benefit from both a design, build, and from my client's point of view. We're always thinking about the people who are living there, from a fire design point of view, from a safety point of view, and from a stance of, is this home? We're designing to meet the end user's needs. Given that you're putting so much housing in such close proximity, the fire design requirements of the job are far greater than a typical household. So we're designing to the highest level of fire design for residential purposes. As the designer on this project, I've been able to bring the best qualities of PALLISIDE while maintaining the fire design requirements. So using lining systems internally and cladding systems externally that work in unison to stop a fire for up to the 60-minute allowance required, which is twice as high as your typical residential household. We would absolutely use PALLISIDE again on future projects, and we are. We're working on a number of similar and larger scale developments where we are specifying PALLISIDE cladding. It's a wonderful product, it's easy to install, and it's going to last. As a designer, I couldn't think of any better expectations from our cladding systems and our buildings in general.